What is up, guys? Dylan at Performance Auto Body of Longwood, and behind me I have a motorhome. No, we don't do motorhomes. This is Dan's personal project. He bought this and he's going to fix it up a little bit, take it to the races. You see, we have a lot of race cars in the back. So let's take a quick tour. 20,000 miles on this bad boy. That's it. It is a 2000 and it looks awesome, and it's going to look more badass in a second. Let's take a quick tour. Yep. Oh, and this is what I want to show off. Does anybody my age or younger know what that is? I do. Still have some of those at home. But yeah, it's really good shape. I mean, you got a fridge, you got everything, you got bedroom, bathroom. Not bad for a 2000 motorhome. Stay badass, and if you see this thing on the road, give it a honk, give it a wave, because Dan will be driving behind there, and he likes when you honk to show you. Never mind. Stay badass.